Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 3 colors from Lotus Dips. Now the first color here, it's called Oh Dear, and this is a stunning, beautiful color. It is more of like a golden tan brown, and it has gold shimmer in there, and that shimmer is super fine and very elegant. And then this is a fun, chunky, fine glitter mix called Hazel, and it is more of gold in your coppered undertones, and it's very shifty in the light, and it's super pretty, and it ties perfectly with the 3 colors. And then the last color here is going to be Sage. Now this is a green. It's not too bright, not too light. It's like the perfect sage green, and it also carries over with that gold shimmer. So here are the 3 colors together, and they are perfect for the upcoming Thanksgiving fall season. I really like them. So for today's mani, we are going to keep it simple. We're going to do a press-on mani, and we're going to be using the medium almonds from Sundara Nails, and we're also going to be doing the gel method. Now you can do this mani either way. You can make press-ons, you can use gel method or dip liquid, or you can do this mani on your natural nails, over your builder gel or your jelly tips. You do not need to make press-ons. We're just keeping it easy for today's mani, and then tomorrow we'll do a regular mani. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I will pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just finishing up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think these colors together are perfect for the Thanksgiving season, and I really liked how these dip powders performed. I think the pigment is super amazing, and the shimmer is unreal. Wait till you see the after photos. That slight gold shimmer in those colors from Sage to Oh Dear are stunning, and it ties perfectly with that Hazel chunky glitter. So I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye!